Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on the proceedings. Zisaqhubeka in any case at the High Court in Pretoria. Judge Rata, after I made the video about him on Friday, now I apologize, guys, like what's going on. Uzehlise nje elifini for umsebenzi wakho that you still need in your 70s, for example, because as I said about 2 months ago, why is Rata still working, guys? Like, I don't even understand. Someone was just saying also ukuthi indaba anga apologize advocate Charles Mnisi for going to run without Rata's agreeing to that. Uvele wazenza lento ayithandayo ukhanda shisa and it's insubordination. I don't know. I think they actually did speak about it at the chambers. I don't think Jay just went to run on his own, you know. So uzihambele ku-advocate Mnisi wayo. I think someone was asking me, did he finish the race? I think so. I think he did, you know. After Urata was threatening him, ethi nje hamba wena uzongibona kahle and you are going to regret it. And Mnisi, I just feel good. He didn't give two hoots about that. He was just like, whatever, like I'm gonna have to go away. But at the end of the day, guys, the people have lives outside courts, like how Urata was just saying he lost his son. Oh guys, I just was like, yo, Urata has been lost. He's never said it in court, and he says recently, and I think it's like it's not even a year the way he's saying it. So my thing is that people have lives. Mnisi lost imali in the Oceans Marathon, and then this was the second marathon. He was gonna lose his money again, guys. And you can see Mnisi is a runner first. He loves running. It's his thing. And I also feel Nje is very dedicated, you know. Now he is human, I mean. So this was not disrespectful. Also, he contained himself. Why would you tell the registrar? So who must we tell? Even Baloyi was like, we can't come straight to you. We must tell someone. The registers, all those people. We can't come straight to the judge if we want to speak and if we want to say something. So the registrar was the right person. So what's the problem? Even Baloyi was like that. You know, so he did contain himself. He never answered Rata. He never uttered a word. He was just sitting there, quiet. But when he can't do this, like Oprah, like whatever, like I don't give two hoots. I am actually going to this marathon. He's coming back Monday. He's actually driving back on Monday, in fact. So Advocate Ramosipilek is just standing up for Advocate Charles Mnisi for abantu about two. They agreed as well. So Rata started off by saying with some paper and afunda in a newspaper. Yeah, he was all over them. Oh my gosh, like the whole weekend on TV. Rata every 5 hours he was there. Baby's nine, he didn't apologize. It's disrespectful. So you know, he's gonna tell us his 50 years experience. So his 30 years experience as an attorney, and then JP, even his wife was giving him JP, which it was uncalled for. The stuff that you said, and you must just apologize. So my thing is that, guys, do you think Urata would have apologized if it wasn't for the wife, JP, and other people who were calling him his students, Abakdala, who are learning law from him, and all of that? Because my thing is that just as much as I was apologizing, Urata, guys, I still feel it wasn't genuine because he was pushed to apologize, that guy. This guy was supposed to apologize on Friday after the stuff he said on Thursday. I mean, that's just my thing. And then the next thing, goody, oh, guys, I'm so... But see, it didn't look legit to me. It wasn't genuine. It wasn't coming from the heart. It's just like, guys, I've been told to apologize, but I'm sorry. Lord. Even the way you're speaking, it didn't look like ngiyaqolisa for ukunxwasa ngobuhlanga. Angifuni ukulisebenzisa igama lesingisi ku-YouTube leqala ngo-R. Ligcine ngo-ST at the end. Ngobe yabona u-YT, guys, ngeke umazi. Namhlanje ngathi okay, ku-right ukuthi ushintshe. So the next thing, le video, it doesn't go through ngobani ngisho into zami engiyithandayo mina. So ngeke ngize ngikwazi. So uyasho ukuthi yena uyaxolisa ngokunxwasa ngobuhlangano nenkosikazi yakhe emtshela ukuthi no, actually apologize to the whole of South Africa, not just nje. And nami ke ngishilo kwi video yami ya Friday na Saturday ukuthi fanele axoliswe kumzansi sonke ngoba ube busy. Yeah, belungu baphosa ngani iti. Like honestly bra, and this thing ama-black lawyers and all of that, uyamazi bethi we started it yonke into nosasikho baqalwa yibona efothe yonke into uratha yaqala mina i-experience ne-experience of 50 years, but you don't behave like une-experience of 50 years. The stuff you say bra, and it's not the first time uratha saying these things. That's what uDali Mpofu was saying, ukuthi it's not the first time, and if you look usasophinda the fact that washo izinto ngoMngomezulu akazaza apologize futhi efamily kaMngomezulu, washo izinto uMngomezulu asimbonile ngoma-choreography a day before Mngomezulu's passing. That's not right, guys. That's just not on. Hey, so uthi even the wife, I was telling him uthi no, indlela oziconducte ngayo in that court is not the one. So Mr. Experience athi nje yena is never behave kanje. Guys, kanjani when he said so many things? This guy, he said so many things so many times in different occasions. So manje why uthi ene uyaqala wena ukukhuluma kanje? Hayi uratha mdala for this, guys. And then he was like, if I'm asked to step down, I will. I was just like, vela uzo. And then people started to write the comments and be like, vele is bias, vele asimfuni, vele akahambe. For the whole weekend, bese beqalile abantu bethi akahambe, it's a call again. Akahambe. So nzinyi position futhi akahambe. I'm just like, even the first position guys yaphelela busithi akahambe. But you know how I feel about ukuhamba kaRatha. I've said it so many times. I've been vocal about it ukuthi uRatha, guys, ukuhamba kwakhe kuyi-problem kani for us. Qalwa phansi. Just as much as uRatha, I even feel nayo ukuthi unayo iphethe i-brown envelope here ithola actually every month it's another salary for him wathengwa naye. Ukubona leyo nto ngiba nayo nje leyo nto about him ukuthi usesenza sengathi no, I'm gonna step down anginandaba, I don't care, I can actually live without this job, I can live without this coming here to court and get paid and all of that. I mean, azobe beqala ukisho lento like we have forgotten. Guys, I didn't forget mina about uMngomezulu and the stuff that he was saying. And it's not the first time he says something about black lawyers. It's not the first time. And then uzobe kutshela ukuthi they started to do uMakhambeni. And then I even told you guys why does he bring up the umngani wakhe noMuseneke. Angazi why does he bring up lo umngani wakhe loyo uMakhambeni ngoba uMakhambeni is not a lawyer, is not practicing anymore. Imali yabantu ye-RAF, he was actually struck off the roll. So why are you bringing up that person? We started the Black Lawyers Association. Like, we don't care about those things, please. And then you come futhi usho lezinto ebantwini. Ngiyabona ukuthi wena uzazi ukuthi maybe usazophinda uRatha. I'm telling you now. I wrote here ukuthi yazi ni shame uRatha, guys, bandla mhlambe asimxoleleni his older son who's actually older than uMshololo. That's how he was speaking. Uratha as is older than uMshololo. Bese dabukisa ke lapho. And I didn't know ukuthi he lost his son. When he spoke of his son who has just passed away, or who would have been disappointed of him, of his conduct actually. So I was just like, oh guys, just as much as guys, I feel like uzophinda uRatha, mark my words. Oh my gosh, like where was he lying for ukuthi uyaqala yena kwenza kanje? Guys, kunomqongqotho of some construction going on ngixolele, guys. Ratha went on to say yena he is not necessarily that person because he has been accused of that as well, and his grandmother was German and he used to cut her hair because wayezalwa priest lapho in some mission somewhere, and then grandmother wakhe used to cut her hair because now babezombona ukuthi actually uqhamuka from umlungu. I'm just like, wow. So yena he's not that person ongangcwathwa ngobuhlanga. Lela gama iqala ngo-R igcine ngo-ST egcineni. Ratha says he will try and mend his ways. I'm like, don't say you will try, mend your ways. Mend them like right now. And went on to say ukuthi the wife said apologize to all South Africans, and then he made a comment ukuthi so the ones that are undocumented as well. So I must just say sorry to people who are not even South Africans. Guys, you'll never stop. So wathi unkosikazi akhe yebo nalabo xolisa kubona please cela ungincede. And then ama-politicians ashilo ukuthi it's gonna be summoned to parliament yena athi kodwa I don't know for what. Guys, I was just like, wow, lo baba lo, he doesn't stop. So he did apologize again, guys. So let's soqhubeka baloyi he's applying ukuletha la evidence yakhe ngekho right. you know, sizozwa ukuthi uthini. Well, I'm just like, yabona ukuthi uqalile, you are starting again to ambush us and come with things ezingekho right. Uthi thina they are going to be admissible in court izinto engekho ezinga-exist. Some 700, over actually 700 photos. Somebody singabazi. And uMnisi will be telling you, guys, please, that's not accused number 3. That's his brother. And in Nakona, why are you bringing in these photos to accuse number 3, lawyer Brown, when I told you to accuse number 3 is actually lies? Please stop. You know, so I'm going to guys. Thank you so much, Ngintanda over guys, for always supporting me. My channel is actually picking up. Ngiyabonga so much for that. Thank you.